the sweet memories that we shared when it was clear you really cared have all been swept away like the brightness of my day. I'll be the ache in your heart, I'll be the aching baby, I'll be the ache in your heart when she's ready.